Hi guys, welcome to Cognitive Hub SQL tutorials. In today's video, I am going to explain about how to delete a values, like how to delete a records from a table. Now, till now we have seen about how to insert a data into a table. Suppose if you don't want a particular particular records which will satisfy some basic condition, then you can delete those particular rows. How to do that I am going to explain in this video. Now, without wasting any time, let's dive into the topic. Okay guys, here we already have the table here, sample underscore table, which contains the data column 1 as 1 2 3 and column 2 as column 2 as Rakesh, Ganesh and then Mahesh. Now what I want is I want to delete the values. What I want is want to illustrate with the delete command. Here we have mainly two types of command. One is deleting a particular row or a group of rows which will satisfy a basic condition. So first of all I am going to explain that one, and then I am going to explain you how to delete all rows present in your table by using a delete command itself. So first of all I want to illustrate you the how to delete a records based on some specific condition. So for that we have command known as delete. This is also one of the data manipulation command, and we can manipulate the data present in the table. So the syntax for delete is delete from table name. Here the table name is sample underscore table. Delete from sample underscore table. We need to specify the condition where I want to specify as col1 equals to 3. If col1 is equal to 3, if col1 is equal to 3, then it will delete from the sample underscore table. Let us see how it executes. So it is showing that one row is deleted. So if you run again the select star from sample table, so it will display the result. Here previously we have 3 rows, Rakesh, Ganesh and Mahesh, but now we didn't have that particular row with column 1 value as 3. So this is how you can delete from a from a table based on the condition. You can also specify the condition with greater than 2, greater than or equal to 2, like that. So I want to enter this Mahesh again. Now one row is inserted. Now if I specified greater than 2, then greater than 2 means it is only 3. Okay, if you specify column 1 value is greater than 2, then what it will execute is we have column value we have column 1 value as 1 2 3. So greater than 2 means we have only one record, that is nothing but 3. A column 1 value having 3 record, so it will delete that record. Let us see first of all what is the contents in the table here. So these are the 3 rows again, the contents. If you execute this command, one row is again deleted. If you again run the select command here, then it will display the column 1 value only 1 and 2. It won't show the 3 value. So this is one way of deleting a records or group of records. Then you can, if you have multiple records like a column value as 1 2 3 4 5, then if you specify the condition like col1 is greater than 2, then it will delete all the records where col1 is greater than 2. That means it will delete all the records having col1 as 3 4 5 if you have only 5 records. So that is how it will delete a group of records based on the specific condition. We also have one more syntax for the delete command. Here previously we have seen about how to truncate a table, like how to use a truncate command. What truncate will do is, without erasing a schema of that particular table, it will delete entire contents present in that particular table. So just like that, just like truncate, we have a delete command also. We can also delete the entire content from a table using a delete command also. So for that, what I want to the command for that one is you just need to specify delete from sample underscore table. So that's it. If you run this, so whatever the rows, like if you have n number of rows, then it will represent like n number of rows deleted. Suppose if you have 100 rows, then it will display 100 rows deleted. So if you again check for the select command, like if you want to know the contents present in the table, if you again run this, that it won't show, it only show the schema here. Here previously what we have, the schema is column 1 value and column 2 value, but it won't show the, it will like all the contents present in it are gets deleted. So these are the two ways of deleting a records from a table. One is based on the condition and another one is deleting a entire contents just like a truncate command. So this is also one of the data manipulation command in SQL. So in the coming lectures I am going to explain about how to update a record, this also update is also one of the data manipulation command. Now with the that's all for this video guys. Thank you for watching.